Well, so we are at Myboli. Yes, yes. And this is some typical Maharashtrian food that we are trying. For instance, is sabudana vada and sabudana khichdi. So, and I think there is the amras also or amarkhand. Bas. And amrakhand. Yeah. Okay, because these are experiences that, and this is curd. Dahi, na? Okay. Okay, so Ayush, take a bite and tell us how it is. Because this is typical Maharashtrian food and it's very healthy. So, if you can tell us, then take a bite of the, yeah? And take a bite of the vada, please. Dip it with the curd, I think. Myboli it is called, and it's a very cozy place, as you can see. So this is the food. This is how it looks, and I'm so glad we came here. And I'd want to personally try it. Try out. Bit bland, but okay, interesting. So this is interesting food, really. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.